start the fire.
Afro Samurai out here finished up the tag. We're gonna actually fucking do this. The first run, boy.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, it actually turns on. What?
Oh damn, that LCD. It's
Ooh, boy. Oh, let me
hold
peek
up.
this. Peek this shit. Ooh. The hell. Ooh.
Shit.
Oh my god. We're gonna be printing penises.
Test it, but we're gonna figure it out. Yes, sir.
What are we doing here, bro? What is this? What is that? What is that cord?
This is what's gonna connect our PC to our 3D printer. They will no longer be isolated. They're gonna talk to each other. They're gonna make babies. Baby penises.
Yo.
Alright.
Hey, yo.
Ooh, hold up,
Hey,
man.
yo.
Touch screen my shit. Alright. Print model STL. Alright, we got brushes, Baymax, figures, chess. Let's see about chess real quick. Get this filament and shit. We got a little table for that shit.
Bro, is that our film, bro?
You know,
PLA. What the fuck? So we got a little scrolly thing. So what's the first thing we were making, my guy? Fucking.
Yeah.
What it? Peep it again?
We got Chinese checkers. We got what's Baymax? Is that motherfucker from Hero 6 or whatever?
I'm not sure.
Sounds like a robot. Yeah, it is. Oh my god.
What?
It really is.
Bro!
Bro.
Dude, you can't really see it off this camera, but like, hey, that's our homie, bro. Dude,
Bro,
fuck chess,
let's go.
bro.
This should be it. Now the question is, where the fuck do we set up this shit? So that motherfucker did it upwards. PS2.
You went
Hello.
further back, my guy.
Don't look at all the clothes.
Who gives a fuck, bro? This is some nerdy setup, my guy. We out here building printers, not time for clothes.
No time to do clothes, nigga. Fuck folding laundry. I got this cord.
Play the Fooly Cooly thingy, brody.
Oh, I got you. I can't play that too, this one.
Oh my god, this bitch is taking forever to level. Bro, let's go. This bitch. Yes.
Level. Let's do
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It'll do its damn thing.
Can you play? Wait. Is it loading right now?
Yeah, it's loading.
Can we have like some boss bass like guitar? Like, have you ever played Have you ever? No. Have you ever watched Mad Max? The new one.
Oh yeah.
You know, like the blind guy that's playing the guitar.
Jamming.
It's like do 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 do.
Oh, I could
do
one
do.
second. I got you. Let me go into
What the fuck is that?
Stop Suey over there, bro. Lexus, move it down. We'll be Lexus.
Chop suey. Yo, what happened?
Huh? What does it say?
I don't know how to read. It says analyze model, my guy. Fuck! We didn't install the fucking printer. Doing all these calculations. Doing calculations. This nerd found his calculations.
Calculations are finished. Launch the rocket. Alright, so file. Open file, baby. Let me show you something.
What did you do, Dad? What happened?
Smacked his dish a couple times, but now she acting right. Okay.
Yo.
We got some new fucking software, you know what that means.
My guy.
We should be able to print.
That started though.
So, range model, so... Well, actually, before we continue, let me read all this.
Fuck. Oh, it's loading.
5 hours.
5 hours? What the
and
fuck?
3 minutes.
In 3 minutes this is gonna start moving though?
4.337 meters. Okay, 1 second.
4 meters, my guy.
1 second, hold up. 1 second.
How big is 4 meters?
This is gonna be pretty big. It's gonna be literally up to there, I think. Oh wait. Alright. Oh wait, let me see you down to 2. Alright.
4
Bro, what the hell?
You take a shot every time this fucking screen flips, my guy. What the fuck?
Alright, so load model, save the G-code file. Alright, mouse fast, all this shit, I don't give a fuck. Alright, so up me into...
So like, we're actually at the finish line, this shit's about to move?
Yeah. So pretty, hold down, set to order. Alright, whatever. And ooh, jeez. So, we do this, we just load up this fucking file. Look like.
It says printer ready.
Fucking load this motherfucker up. Load that motherfucker up. One second. Pull out the SD. Alright. Where is ready? Fuck is that pussy, boy? Where that pussy? Wait, SD card now.
Ooh. Ooh.
Don't worry about it. Just let it do.
Or is it just in a home position?
Yeah, it's home position now.
Boy, it's preheating, it's working. Bro, you were like sitting there for like so long just clicking that shit. It was right there.
I'm losing my mind.
Bro, let's go take a break. Fuck all this.
1 second.
This man is dedicated.
Of course, nigga. I'm having this shit do while we fucking go off, bro.
Yeah, POV. That ass. Bro,
Now imagine a human was in the way of that food.
what's a proper meal, my guy?
Anything you can eat on the outside, nigga. Literally anything that's not served in prison. That's a proper
bro,
meal.
don't they like serve up like some prisons serve up like Burger King and shit like that, bro?
Hell no, nigga. Them niggas
Like
serving up Burger Fling, boy. Fucking some meat patties they got from around back, chief.
Oh my God,
I
bro.
wish niggas, I truly wish niggas in prison were getting better treatment, but nah, they treat them niggas like slaves, bro. And let alone,
Bro, they're literally wage
they
slaves,
are
bro. They
slaves. Not
get
even
paid
wage
like
slave. They
get
time
paid like
slaves,
like
nigga.
$2 on the hour, bro. Not even that.
No,
I think like
cents.
less cents on the
Cents.
hour.
If
Bro.
you have a job like in the actual prison system, you're making, depending on the job, say you're like doing the laundry or cook, you're making 75 cents an hour. So at the end of the month, you got $10-15 for 30 days of work,
bro.
nigga.
That's a lot of cheap labor if you think about it.
It's a lot of cheap labor. But you know what else is a lot of cheap? Well, not even cheap, free labor.
What?
The military, nigga. You're already paying these niggas. I've talked to hella people about this, bro.
Okay.
All right, let's go back to Rome.
What?
The greatest example, you know how Rome had the greatest military. You know what they did on their off time?
What?
Infrastructure.
They built shit.
Yeah, built roads, construction, coliseums, houses. They weren't just fucking niggas chilling, waiting around for war how we do it nowadays. It's, alright, bro, we're paying you $8K or fucking $4K every month, and we're not at war, nigga. You better do some plumbing, bro. That's what, bro, we have, I think it's 3 million humans in the U.S. military alone. And that's not just in the U.S. That's stationed around the globe. Niggas could be working, doing some more shit. Half these niggas don't do nothing but shoot a fucking artillery around every 2 months and say they went out to go do a tour.
Wait, so you want our military to be building roads and shit?
Fuck no. I want our military to be useful. When we're not out fighting, make them do construction.
We're always fighting though, nigga.
That's the problem.
I just said that, building roads and shit.
I mean, yeah. It's building roads isn't as important as it was, like, you know, thousands of years ago, where it's like, nigga, we just built the road, we can go anywhere.
But that's what like China's doing with their plan. Like instead of
you see their highways and
instead
shit?
of like invading like Iraq and stuff or like Afghanistan, they're giving them a bunch of loans to build construction, and then they're gonna take over the country by debt.
Because interest, nigga. It's the same with the Ukraine right now. These loans that different countries are giving Ukraine, they may seem like peace offerings or, you know, international aid, but it's just another fucking trick in the banking system. Give a country a loan, add incredible interest on it that they know they can't pay back. Then when they can't pay it back and it's time to pay, you go through a different alternative. Yeah, I need my company here. No, I want my company here, and I don't want certain restrictions.
All right, so
yo, what's this troubleshooting, bro? Is it good?
SD card?
We need an SD card.
Yeah.
I don't have an SD card.
You don't have an SD card?
I don't just fucking roll it.
No, not you. I know. I'm sure this nigga has.
Dude,
like,
you're a nerdy motherfucker, bro.
A Switch and a PC.
No,
bro, you literally have like.
Fuck the PC. It's about the Wii U. I jailbroke my Wii U and I got an SD card.
Go the Wii USD.
About to say, yeah, don't push that shit anymore. It's supposed to stick out like that.
This man's gonna fucking print Mario out this bitch, bro.
Just reading a Reddit thing.
What the fuck, bro?
If your stepper is disabled, you probably should check your G code.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
The file didn't have the G code, so I had to load a G code. So now
Yeah,
Yo,
I
is
don't
this
know what
is
G
it
code
It's
printing?
eating.
Is it heating?
It should be.
Oh, it's
Don't
not.
touch the filament.
It's printing 0% though.
Don't worry,
no, you gotta let it go.
It's zoning it out. Hello. Yeah, we just got the.
Yeah, pops, look at this. We making things now.
Yeah, the printer set up. Don't worry about it.
Y'all making the printer work.
Yeah.
Finally got it working now.
Oh, did we wake you up or something?
No, not wake him up. I just heard somebody hollering. I thought y'all had killed somebody.
Oh no.
We were excited. Sorry.
Yeah, we got excited.
Yes, yeah.
Wow.
Control yourself.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry,
We're
pops.
controlling this.
Yeah, it's at 1%. So yeah, it's printed.